Hi guys, how you all doing? So time to time when I shop the store, I plant actually the seeds from these peppers. They love Florida. These are the sweet peppers. Publix has them, Costco has them. These are from Costco, I believe. And I will also plant some garlic. And look at these potatoes. I fall in love with these. You guys, these are so beautiful when you cut it open. It's purple. It's like a geode. It's like a crystal, like an amethyst geode. And if you pour lemon juice on it, because normally I roast them in the oven, it turns pink, like a pink geode. It's beautiful, and I'm pretty sure it's healthier for us because it's fuller with antioxidants, just looking at the color. So this is what I want to plant, and I'm gonna use this was the celebration package, by the way, at Publix, and it was a buy one get one free. So I'm gonna attempt to grow this one. And now it's February 9th, I think, or 8th today, and it might be too late, but you know what, that's not gonna stop me. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see if it's gonna grow or not. And I'm gonna use this pot, and I never did this before, but I also will use this bag for it. So I just want to see if it's gonna work or not, and I will document it to see. I will also try these. These are Campari tomatoes, and I will slice them and I will plant them in the soil, and let's see if it's gonna grow. I planted Everglades tomatoes. I heard that those are gonna do pretty well in Florida, but these are very tasty, the Campari tomatoes, so I want to see if I can grow them also. So I got the soil in, and I will be planting all these colors, and including this one, and this is gonna be going like that in the ground. You see, face down. Here we go. And maybe a couple of others, like the white and the red. So done. One, and the next one I will see which one gonna produce better, in the bag or in the pot. So you can see the purple potatoes already sprouting. You see the sprouts? So I'm gonna put it in the ground, in the bag in this case. You see some whites. I'm curious. This is gonna be an experiment. Let's see. And this was the first time that I do it in a bag, and I get the idea from Doug, an Australian grower, gardener. Feed yourself with Doug, and let's see if there is anything happened in there. Okay, there is some potatoes, huh? There's a lot of ants moving. I just wanted to quick show you this one, a jackfruit. I was eating a jackfruit over here at the bench, and this is a seed from it. Look at it. Coming up at the tamarind. That's just I spit out, and it's growing now. So this soil is gonna be perfect for this tree and for the dragon fruit. And it seems very rich. And let's see what we got in here. The pepper plant, I can actually plant it back, no problem. Here. It's not a huge harvest at all, but like I said, I didn't plant it at the right time of the year, and I just wanted to see what would happen. And I did multiply it somewhat, but it's not like a whole lot. But I'm happy that I just didn't waste the potatoes, or I didn't compost them, but I kind of multiplied them a little bit. And from my experience, the bag had more than the pot. So that's just one thing that it's kind of interesting. That this was the first time that I used the bag for growing. As for the tomatoes and the peppers, tomatoes are already fruiting. It's not as beautiful as the store-bought one, not as big, but you can see it's already ripening up. You can see it, and probably I should have got a trellis for these, but I mean, it's not bad. And I tasted it earlier because there was a ripened one already, and it tastes pretty good. But I think the Everglades tomatoes is much better suited for this area. And other than that, the peppers also flowering. They need water, they need rain. But you can see the sweet peppers I planted, they're flowering. The okra is already everything how small it was, and look at it now. And the Everglades tomato, it's growing into the tree. Look at it, so many tomatoes, you guys. And this is one plant, and look, it's going all over the place. And it's very delicious tomatoes, actually. Easy to grow it. If you like tomatoes, this is the tomato to grow it at this time of the year in Florida. So yeah, this is it for the today's harvest and the experiment. It's not the best time to plant it at that time, that's for sure. But if you have if you want to throw it away anyway because maybe it's started to sprout or whatnot, then might as well save it for another date. And that's what happened in this case. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. See you later. Have a good one. Bye.